Here we have the Mini Freek, and this is the upgraded Mini Freek in carbon fiber and CPM S90V steel. It has the red thumb stud and the red spacers with the carbon fiber and all titanium hardware besides the stainless steel pocket clip. Absolutely stellar knife. If you know about the axis lock, you know it's one of the best locking mechanisms on the market. I love the little thumb ramp right here with the little jimping. A lot of times my thumb will end up on the back of the spine because I sharpen a lot of pencils. And so that grip is just a nice feeling grip. I do carry a mini Griptilian, and I find that little bit extra handle length just makes it that much more comfortable. My pinky doesn't kind of wrap around it. Absolutely stellar. I love the nice classic drop point. It's kind of a modification of a classic drop point, but I like it. The contouring on the handle just makes it nice and comfortable. It does have the two-way pocket clip, so it's fully ambidextrous. And that is the 565-1. Like I said, it's the upgraded Mini Freek. It's on our website. Check it out for the current sizing and pricing details. Thanks for watching.